Let's see what goodies we have here. Oh man, we got the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. This is Samsung's best, latest, and greatest Ultra with a 1050, wait, no, a 4050 in it. No worries, I'm about to go over the specs with you right now. It's the best Samsung laptop you can get right now. Let's talk about it. It has a 16-inch WQXGA Plus AMOLED touchscreen with an RTX 450 DDR6, 16 gigabytes of RAM with a solid-state drive of a 1 terabyte. So you know this thing is going to go crazy, baby. So we're going to open this up and definitely look at it, see how it looks. It looks really thin already, and like I said, you can play anything on this, John. So we're definitely going to figure this out real quick. All right, here we go. Had to use the power of Jesus to open this John up. All right, so we got it here. Gonna open it up here. Boom. Cool. Okay. So we have the laptop right here. We have the charger right here. Okay. Let's open this bad boy up here. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, we got the what? We have a charger here. Okay, we have a normal USB-C charger port right here. Okay, we have a freaking Hawk charger. This is crazy, bro. I could charge a car with that charger. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, let's just see how this is right here, though. This is pretty thin. What? This is wild, bro. Sammy? What with this? Okay, so we have the Samsung and border right there. Samsung and border. Yeah. Cool. But this is how thin the laptop is. And remember, this has a RTX 4050 in it, man. That is crazy. Let's open it up here. Ooh, hold on. That one hand. Hold up that one hand. Ooh, I feel like Pac-Man right now. This is crazy. Look at this. This is crazy right here. And it's touchscreen, so we're definitely gonna dirty that up in a minute. This is huge. So this is like a MacBook, this is a MacBook like thing here. I can't wait to press. Let's press the power button on it real quick. Let's see if it's charged up. Let's see. This is wild. It doesn't look like it's charged. This John is not charged. Hold on, Sammy. Hold on. Hold on, baby. All right, well, it's charging. So once it's finished charging here, we'll definitely, oh, it's on 2% already. Hold on, let's see. Let's turn it on again. All right, now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. Here we go. Oh man. This is what we've been waiting for. I've been trying to tell y'all. Y'all been waiting? Look at this. Look at it. Hold up. Look at this. Hold on 1 second. Look at this. Look at this for 1 second. Oh my good. Samsung, no. Sammy. Samsung, stop it. Please, no. Please. This is it. This is what we're talking about. This is the RTX 4050 that I've been talking about. Look at this. Look at this. This is about the oh my goodness. Look at this touchpad though. This thing is huge, ain't it? I could put an omelet on that John, or like a hot pocket. Like, hold on, we about to get it going, bruh. Woo! Sammy. It's that normal Windows 11 setup. But you already know what it is, man. This is the computer here. This is one of the best Samsung laptops in the game. Got the touch screen. I'm about to touch it. There we go. Hold on. Let me show you this real quick. I'm about to touch it like musical chairs. There we go. I appreciate y'all so much for this, man. For my first unboxing of this. Definitely check it out. Definitely check out my tech channel, AquaTechFantasy. You already know what it is. I appreciate y'all so much for this. This is crazy. And we're good. There we go, y'all. Let's get it.